Oh my goodness, what is this place? Oh my god! I'm gonna go to sleep, okay? Good night. Is that $100? Shut up! Okay. Oh, now it is $100. Now I'm gonna steal it. Later. I'm gonna steal it finally. Hey, who are you? Uh-oh. Hey, what the? Uh-oh. Oh my god, it's a robber! Well, that's free money. Moral of the story, never steal or run outside to die.